Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today I'm just going to do a quick walk around. Obviously everybody is aware of the market being a little bit changed from COVID times. The market has softened. The muscle car market, as has the real estate market, has everything. But I think one thing that we've learned through COVID is that you have to enjoy your life as it is right now. You can't wait 10 years until things get better or whatever. You don't know what's ahead. So our little opinion that we've learnt, I guess, through COVID is enjoy your life. If enjoying your life includes one of these beautiful cars, then give us a call. I'll just show you some of the amazing cars here. We've got this unbelievable K Code Mustang, manual K Code 289 GT, and an absolutely stunning little LJ GTR XU1. The Phase 3, Surfer Orange Phase 3 has been sold. And we come over a couple of new cars. This is a Linamint green LC GTR replica. So I think it's built out of an S, and we're just doing a bit of a tidy up. But that's got the triples and everything, so it's a very nice tribute. We've got a lovely Nugget Gold, Mike Selby's favourite colour, XY Fairmont 250. And a really good original car. T-bar, original paint? Original paint, wow, really good car. That's coming, that's just come in, so we'll find out more about that. We've got a GTS, HSV GTS, Sting Red, that car is an auto. And it is 2015 model, and that's the Gen 1 version. That's just been dropped in as well. What's the mileage on that, Nick? 13,000 Ks. Let's have a look inside this one. So we'll have this one online shortly. Oh, beautiful smell. 13,500 Ks. And there's the Gen 1 gauges. Very nice. Have a look at the back. And then this killer car. This is a Chris Dent Falcon GT Restorations Replica GT. And that is just spectacular. Look at this. Sunroof. And this has got a Mansweto big motor in it. Beautiful car. Look at this. Is this raw orange? Raw orange, Phase 3. And it is New South Wales registered with these plates. HO 0971. But look at that. So that is an absolute top-end replica, and for the money you could not build this car. $250,000 nowadays, that's what it costs to build a top-end, really good car. And this one's from new, done 298 Ks. Oh, miles, 298 miles. That is beautiful. I brought my dog today, so little golden retriever. And then we've got this lovely Monaro, Mediterranean blue Monaro. Beautiful car. And then next to it, the modern Monaro. We've got this beautiful Tourer, 20,000 kilometre HSV Clubsport R8 Tourer. So that's the last of the station wagon HSVs. And we've got lovely VH, and a couple of lovely Falcons. This one's the XR8, brand new, it hasn't been registered. Got the GTF, and so that's the newer cars. So there you go. That was a bit of an idea of what we've got in there, but those ones are pretty much the newer cars. So yeah, I wouldn't be, if you feel like you want one of these cars, please give us a call and come and have a chat and enjoy your life driving and having fun with these magic cars. Thanks for watching Australian Muscle Car TV, and we look forward to showing you through the showroom in Sydney. And if you've got any other questions on any of the cars, please give us a call.